Hey friends! I just went grocery shopping and I got a whole lot of things that were not on my list. And I'm actually kind of excited about it. When it comes to grocery shopping, much like how a lot of people are with their stories, I need to have a plan. But today, I did not have a plan. We walked in, I had a couple of loose plot ideas, if you will, in my head. And then I let myself kind of go crazy. Moral of this story, for all my planners out there, it is great to have a detailed outline, a long grocery list, if you will, but sometimes it's fun, even if it's just for a writing exercise, to let yourself go a little bit rogue, because when you do, you could end up with pumpkin cheesecake. Subscribe for more motivation and inspiration. Check out all of the links down below, and I will see you next time.